Is this a cooking channel? No. Are we gonna make banana bread today? Yeah. Today we're making an easy vegan banana bread. Now I am in no way, shape or form a vegan, but I am trying to decrease my animal product consumption. So I figured that y'all will come with me and see how I make this bread, because I ain't never made no vegan banana bread before. So we're gonna try this out today and see how things go. Because you know the saying, if life gives you rotten bananas, you make lemonade. Wait, cut the camera. Because you know the saying. Because you know the saying, if life gives you rotten bananas, you make banana bread. Wait, hold up, do I even like banana bread? These things look so gross. I hate rotten bananas. And I know that you're supposed to use them when they're a bit more brown, but like I literally can't even touch them when they're that way. Like it grosses me out. Y'all, the ancestors just told me to get a lime and squeeze it into the banana. Who am I to question the ancestors? A staple in Caribbean households. So the oil I did measure, it was about 70 grams using a kitchen scale, and that is about the same as when I tell you all I'm winging it. This is what I mean. I took the almond milk out of the fridge, so you know what that means. It have to use. Are they dry to the wet? We're doing the wet to the dry because the bowl's bigger. And now we mix. Do, 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 do. I don't even know if this is a quarter cup, like I have no idea. But these are honey roasted peanuts. Honey's not vegan, but you can use normal peanuts. Raisins, frosted walnuts, cashews, dried sweet and cranberries. It came from this trail mix that I wasn't really a fan of, but let's repurpose our snacks, shall we? So I cut the parchment paper to fit inside of the pan so that it's easy for me to, you know, lift out the banana bread when it's finito. Point of view. Did you guys' moms let you lick the spoon? Like, thinking back on it, that's serious salmonella. Vegan. This is quickly turned into banana nut bread. Now I know the topping should inform what's inside dessert, but then I want oats in this, and I want to put no banana on the top. So I'm just gonna sprinkle on some quick oats. You look pretty. Okay, okay, Johnny, stop. I said stop. Okay, stop. Okay, good. Yeah, stop. Quick. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, done. Okay, good. And now I'm just gonna take a classic banana bread topping. Sugar, granulated sugar, and put it just on top. A little sprinkle, a little salt bay. this banana bread is vegan. And you can't even tell.
This is a word that I remember from Spanish. And this what it is. Oh, delicioso.
Thank you guys for being a part of this journey and making vegan banana bread with me. If it's that you try this recipe, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And let this be a lesson to you to not be afraid to try something new. Until next time, salud.